Normally, when one finds a P.F. Chang's in an airport, they are very pleasantly surprised. So how does this man turn a delightful P.F. Chang's airport visit into something unthinkable? On February 25, 2025, the Tampa Airport Police Department was called to the scene at the airport for reports of that man.
How you doing?
How you doing?
Good. I guess you got to pay your bill.
I'm about to get the guy who's gonna pay it.
Who's the guy?
Al Smith.
Who?
Steven Smith.
Okay, where's he at?
I'm about to go get him right now. You wanna walk with me?
You can't leave the restaurant till you pay. Where's
You can identify yourself and let them know who you are, but you can't leave without it.
So
Let's walk back inside and we'll talk in there.
let's talk.
No, we're talking right here. Hey, we're talking right here.
Let's come over here. So
57.
now I'm about to go get him.
No.
Can I give something as collateral?
Your ID. And then
If I
you're,
get
listen,
ID, can I give a key?
this isn't a negotiation.
It is.
No, let me explain something. It is not.
It is.
No, you're wrong.
So what
Not
I'm
so.
saying is-
It is
What
not.
I'm saying is, I just saw him. I came.
It doesn't matter.
Me.
What you're saying now doesn't matter. This is not our first day here.
I understand that.
You have enjoyed a product
I have.
and you haven't paid for it.
I have. And
No, there's
It
no
will be
and.
paid.
There's
It
no
will be
anything else.
paid.
There's no anything else and nothing.
it's going to be paid.
I'm just letting you know. There's no anything else and nothing. Get Alex and just
It's going to be paid.
I'm just letting you know. What's your first name?
Look. Go.
No,
Go get.
won't be doing that either.
Go get him.
Nope.
Go pay for
So
it.
be
He's
that.
owes $50-something. He's trying to leave the bar without paying. He says he's got a buddy,
But-
and his buddy is nowhere here. He's arguing.
Doesn't
He
work.
doesn't pay.
Yeah.
All right, where's your buddy at? If you want to talk to him, we'll go look. I'll go look for the guy. Where's it at? Where's your buddy at?
So about 6'5", white, looked like he dressed for Michael Jackson. Silver badge with some shades. With a lady like yay high, braids, burgundy shirt.
This is the receipt.
With a dude that's pretty big.
Why don't you call him on the phone? You get press charges.
That's pretty big.
Why don't you call him on the phone?
Yeah,
Because I still got to get in contact with him.
Yeah, call him on the phone.
Yeah.
You don't have a friend here, do you? Nah, we don't. We
Yeah,
both
you do.
know that. You do?
Yeah,
Okay.
I have many.
Does he have one here to pay your bill? Oh, cool.
Y'all get him? He'll come here.
He's gonna make your friend or ours his boss.
That's true. That's what I'm saying.
So
Let me go get my friend.
No, you can call him if he's your friend.
No, go get him. Go get him. He'll come pay it, and I'll walk out.
So, you have your ID on you?
I refuse to give that.
Okay, so listen, before you say anything else,
Hold on.
listen to
hold
me.
on,
No.
Hold
Listen
on.
to me.
Hold on.
If I'm gonna work
Hold
with
on.
you, you work with me.
I have the receipt, right?
Yeah.
I don't even know how much it costs. It costs.
Whatever it costs.
Whatever. I said, look, I have a friend who, once I'm finished eating, he's gonna come pay for it, and we're gonna be good. Is that all right? He said, yes. I'll take your word for it. Then he said, do I need a license? I said, no, I'm not gonna give you my license, but you can have my key. Because if you have my key, I can't drive away. He said, okay, I'll take your word for it. Went back. They served me the food. I'm eating the food. His part.
Okay.
So y'all should get on
Well,
him.
let's correct it because you're just not gonna talk. You're not upholding your
But
you're not
hold
paying
on,
your
hold
bill.
on. I don't want to hear.
Well, it doesn't matter what you want. You fly out of here. Why are you at the airport for? Why are you here?
I'm flying out.
Where?
Senegal.
Where's your ticket?
Don't have one.
You don't have no business here.
No, they're going. Senegal.
Where's your ticket?
Don't have one.
Okay, you have no business here.
No, they're going to give it to me when I.
So pretty much you came here to rip the place off, get a free meal out of it.
No,
and
they
then take off. Am I right?
Look, that's off topic.
That's what?
That's off topic.
That's the only topic.
So Y'all can escort me,
No, we're not gonna escort you.
or
anywhere.
hold on,
Listen,
hold
you're not
on.
gonna determine what happens here.
Or,
No, you're gonna pay this bill.
Hey, Jerry. The rule is if they call us for police for something like this, they need to prosecute.
Yeah, that's what he said right now, unless they change.
You want to prosecute because
No, yes, kick it out.
nah, because when you guys call us for this and we deal with something like this, you know, this happens all the time here. They want us to start making arrests and you guys, you know, prosecute. Because all he's gonna do is walk out and go rip off another place. So you guys gonna prosecute?
Can you explain that to the...
Yeah, because otherwise there's no reason for us to keep coming over and doing this. Because all he's going to do is walk out of here. Called over the calls here. We get shoplifters here all the time when we get there and they say they're not going to prosecute. Our new thing is that we're going to prosecute because there's no reason for us to get involved. So now we're involved. The guy's clearly committed a crime. So I need to know if you guys are going to prosecute now.
What you got to do? So let me talk.
If you let me talk, I'm not gonna let you talk. 'Cause you're not
Just so
listening.
you can have accurate, the manager said that he told him that he gave him this stuff. He said that his friend was bringing everything here to make payment, right?
So, but if he lets me speak, we can figure this out. Here's what I'm willing to do. If you're gonna go look for your friend, you're gonna keep talking over me. I'm just gonna shut up and we're gonna deal with the other way.
Talk with him.
I'm not talking with him. I'm talking with you.
Talk with
Are you
him.
gonna listen to me?
Talk with him.
No, I'm not
Talk
talking with
me.
you. No.
Talk with
If you
him.
want to find your friend,
Talk with him.
no.
I made a deal with him, not you.
I don't care what you made a deal with him or not.
And I don't care what you got to do with
Well, you
me.
should.
I
You
don't.
really should.
I don't.
All right. Well, so you're listen.
Talk with
as
him.
of right now, you're not free to leave. You're gonna
Talk-
stay right here.
talk
Okay. You
with
really
him.
should.
I don't.
All right. Well, so you're listen.
Talk with
as
him.
of right now, you're not free to leave. You're gonna
Talk-
stay right here. Okay.
talk with him.
You understand that?
Talk with him.
You're not free to leave, so stay right here. Don't go anywhere.
Hey,
Right now, he's up.
Relax.
You're being detained right now. Okay. Yeah, you are.
Yeah, you are.
Think whatever you want, buddy.
alrighty.
We can start him down that way.
Let's go.
Red or blue? Blue? Pick him down there.
27 control status.
Yes. I've done that before and not remember. Hit the button, I'll get the door for you.
Hold on. Let me get started for him.
I don't know if he got searched well or not.
Yeah, well, you don't really have a choice.
You can't search me. Talk to my lawyer.
We're past that.
Okay.
You can't search me.
Stop. Lean forward and relax.
Yeah, what you want to do?
109 Alpha Control status check.
What is it?
Damn, bro, you gay or something?
Go forward. Go.
Good. Get in the center car for me.
Yeah, that part.
Watch your head getting in.
Video sign, got us to vote.
Put it on.
There you go.
Teamwork makes the dream work. Let's see. Let's go.
Hey, babe. Did he have a wallet?
All suspects are innocent until proven guilty. Thank you for watching.